Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a marshmallow snowman. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the top. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a really skinny oval shape like this. Now starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go straight down, and then another one on this side that's going to go straight down. Then I'm just going to connect them with a little curved line, trying to kind of match that curved line. Now, starting right underneath here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out a little bit, and then it's going to go down. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, kind of curve out and then go down. And then I'm just going to curve it here to connect it. Then I'm going to draw a little bit of like a curved line right underneath here, just to kind of show where the top of it is. Now, let's add a face onto here. So, starting right here, I'm going to make a little circle here, and then a little circle right here. And then I'm going to color in most of it. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of color in most of it, leave a little bit white, just for like a little reflection. Then I'm going to make a little triangle shape like this for like a little carrot. And then I'm going to put two little lines on it. Now, for the mouth, I'm just going to make some little black dots that are close together, and I'm going to put them in a little smile shape. Now, starting right here on the marshmallow, I'm going to draw two little lines that go out. And then I'm going to draw a little diagonal line like this, and then a little diagonal line like this. Then I'm just going to connect them like this. Then I'm going to make two little lines down and go straight across with it, and that's going to be like a piece of chocolate that it's sitting on. Now, right underneath here, I'm going to draw two more little lines sticking out. And I'm going to do the same thing, just make two diagonal lines going out. And then this time when I connect them, I'm going to make this line just kind of like a little bit bumpier. Then I'm going to make two little wavy lines going down and then connect it with another kind of wavy bumpy line. And that way it kind of looks like it's sitting on a graham cracker. And then I'm just going to add some little dots all around here just to make it look like there's some texture on the cracker. Now, starting right out here, I'm going to draw a little skinny line that goes out and then comes back in. And then I'm just going to add another little line on top of it like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, draw a little line that just kind of goes out real skinny. And then another little line on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little marshmallow snowman. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.